It's just me. I'm missing the redneck show. It's killing me. Well, I painted this. I made a mess all over, but I'll clean it. All this down there is gray now. I have to pressure wash the steps. I can't do nothing. It's such a mess. All the overhang is all painted yesterday. Painted all this. I got to build some kind of railing. And I cleaned out every rock, every weed. And there's really beautiful little, there's vines growing down there. And I got really good fertilizer. I'm going to do that. Someone got lots of dots all over. Here on the windows, nice overhang. And you can plant little things in those holes. These are all my land tenants' things. So the door looks like shit. Has to be redone. And there's little gaps up there I need to fill. Wow, she really does an amazing job with these flowers. Look at this. It's awesome. I'll have to learn to do it myself. But it's totally beautiful. Tomato she's got still. She must spend a fortune. There's more flowers there. They're staying for it. And they normally sit all over here. So what I think I'm going to do is I never liked these garbage cans here. But this is the only spot down here where I could really, ouch, I could really make a driveway. So what I'm going to do, I don't need cement, but I'm going to get some guys to come here with a Bobcat, or I'll rent a Bobcat. I'll dig this out, then I'll get stone delivered. And I don't know, maybe I'll have to hand dig this. I can't do that. I'll get someone. Oh, I still got painting here. Look at these flowers, or grass, I forget what it's called. I got to dig all the weeds out. Then in a few minutes, it's getting late. I got to paint a really good job on this window. I haven't pressure washed. You can see it's all dingy, the siding. Like the owner. Ow. So I got to still get the... And I don't want all these rocks here. Instead of keep buying rocks, I'm just going to lay down on the ground and put them all in a bucket and then dump them in front. Because I'm going to put mulch there. These things are great. I love these. They're here. They're staying. I got a few more weeds to pull. But all this I'm painting gray right now. Going to. Oh, before I start getting all beat up now. This is the next project. This damn electric service. It's watch me get killed. This is a cloth range wire. It's all fucked up. You know, I guess I could wrap it with rubber tape, yeah. So, but there are digital meters, and they got shit grounded to it. But I don't see an outside ground rod, which I'll have to put that in for sure. That's fucked up. You gotta have inside and outside ground rod. Maybe not in 1930. So we'll put a double meter, like a 2 or 2.5 inch piece of conduit straight up, and then put it like an elbow at the top and turn towards the front, and put that entrance thing up there. I don't think I'm supposed to do that according to the thing, but as long as I do it right, if I have to, I'll get someone to come here and come in here with this fucking lock. No fucking locks. I should paint these gray too. But the ferns will stay. This hosta here is so massive. I could put, let's see, I could get 4 out of that, or 5 good ones, and put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's what I'll do. I'll spread them out along there. Oh, then I twisted my foot. Then I need to make like a something over this. You know what? All those boards I got, I'll just put boards over and stain it with the deck. That will look nice. We're gonna sneak up on the Wolfie. Uh-oh, I got mail. They found me. The damn bills. What is this? Fuck no. Don't say that word. No. I don't want Domino's. So look, by the front door, I got work to do. She covered her thing and everything. Got to take the mailboxes down to do a good job. Try to build some sides on this thing so it looks better. I got all that wood for $300. I should use it. All right, in front of this, I don't know what to do. I laid down and started pulling the rocks halfway through and throwing them up there. I think the cheapest and fastest would be to plant grass, but I want to pressure wash these railroad ties with the pressure washer really good and let them dry, and maybe stain them the same as I do the front porch. I still haven't done shit around the windows. My plants are doing good. I just bought some really good Miracle-Gro root stimulating fertilizer, and for things that are having a hard time and things that are just beginning to, you just moved. And these Mugo pines are just so beautiful, and they stay green all year. I think I'll have to put up Christmas lights, which would be nice. It's been years. So put down 15 more pounds of grass seed. $5 a pound, almost. It's the best ones they had, premium. It's like an old-time hardware store where they scoop it out. I put all the grass seed down here, all around this. The object is not to let it dry out. And look, these are to my 2 little baby trees growing. And you know what? I think it's beautiful just right there. I think I'm going to leave them both grow there. I'll even feed them good. So this is the stuff that was all just weed garden, dead bushes. I dug it all. And I just seeded more. And I keep this wet 3 times a day. Put seeds all along here, all along the front. Watch, in a week or two, you'll see this will all be growing. Fed all the bushes. Still got to paint up there tomorrow. Gas meters all painted and shit. Looks good. Basement window. Painted all this gray the other night. I got to go all the way up there. Looks like a haunted house window. This little table is not mine. I don't know what that's going to happen. If it stays here, maybe I'll clean it and uh-oh. I got caught busting the neighbor's car. No. So, this is where the shed is going to be. And look what I got. Wolfie better keep her shit straight. Look what I got. It's a paddle. Cost me $5. Whatever this is, I don't know what anyone knows. Could someone tell me? I bet Christy would know. That's not nice to say. It's a college town, so maybe it's really from this college town. Oh, I made a mess with the paint. Still didn't finish. But this is going to be a shed now. But I still want to coat everything good. Oh. What are you doing? You little devil. You little devil. Look at your ears. It looks like you're going to fly away. You want me to lay down, right? With you? Where's your monkey? Huh. This is your monkey. And your ball. You're just being a dope. It's your dish. You spilled your water. You had a huge 2 dishes of water today. There's your stupid bone. I spilled grass seed like an idiot. It's a way. Oh, that's a lot. I gotta put that in front. Put all new grass seed here. All around this tree, I massively dosed it with grass seed. I gotta build a barrier so the little wolf doesn't get through the fence. She's getting so big she can't even squeeze now. But I have to ask the neighbor. He's been here the longest. The tree is starting to grow like a son of a bitch. I really gave it good fertilizer. So, what do you want to do, you little devil? Huh? You want to watch me lay down in some dog poo? Ah! Wolfie! Ba ba ba! Ah! Oh! Okay. Ouch! I've been working all day. Hi, baby! Oh, you're a good dog. You're such a good dog. Yeah. Aw, I love Wolfie. You're a good doggy. Ouch! You're attacking me. Oh, your collar's getting too tight. Oh, that's not good. Ow! Loosen your collar. Come here. Sit. 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 Sit, Wolfie. Sit. You know what that is. Sit. 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 Come here. Sit. Good dog. Stay. I gotta get this collar loose. It's gonna choke you, dude. Come here. She says, you got these funny gloves on with paint and you want me to sit still for this? Ah, I'm fixing it. Wolfie, come here, I'm fixing it. Just like it takes these stupid gloves off. Let's see, what is this? How do I make it longer? Wolf, I gotta make your thing longer. Let's see. I gotta put this down a second. Ow, good doggy. Good doggy. Hey, goofball. Come here, Wolfie. Come here. Let's put this on. Come here, puppy. Wolf. Come here. Wolf. Come here. Oh, shush. Look, I made this looser. Stay. Hold still. That's better, see? See, I'm on your side. Look at this. Now it's like loose. And she can't pull out. You're a good dog. You got your collar fixed. Yeah. It's still going to get your tail. Ah. Sit. Sit now. Sit. Sit. You know what that is. Sit. Good. Stay. No. Sit. Stay. Stay. Oh, you're giving me your paw now? Are you a good doggy? Stay. No. Okay, you lay down. No. Come on, back over here. Sit. 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 Wolfie, sit. 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 Oh my God, you know what this is. You just don't want to do it. You're gonna. I don't care. Sit. I work all day. You could learn a little. Now that's good. Now you're sitting. Give me your paw. Hey, I'm gonna bite you. Give me your paw. It's your paw. Hey. That's good. You did all this before. You're just being dumb. You're just being dumb. Hey. You kind of like it out here, huh? You met the neighbors. Gonna play with the little girls. Learn not to woof at people, everybody. Just people are coming to kill us. You could woof at them. You can kick their ass even. She thinks she's tough. You think you're tough? You're not gonna mess with me. You won't mess with me. I'll kick your ass. Yeah, I'll kick your ass. Ah! 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 Sit. 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 Hey, sit, Wolfie. Sit. Look at that. What a good dog. Hey, come here. That's a good dog. That's really good. You're sitting. That's good. That's a good dog. Wolfie? Hey, what's wrong? Got fleas? Wolfie? You want a bigger yard, don't you? We gotta buy a bigger house, dude. You should have seen the last house. It was like huge. It was a whole quarter of a block. It's big enough for 4 houses or 5. But it's gone. It's too much work. Wolf? Hey, I think the Redneck Connection is live, and I'm working. What are you doing? The Redneck Connection on YouTube. It's really an awesome channel. I don't know where I'd be without those guys, especially Mr. Ken and Susan. I don't want to go into details what they did for me a year ago, but it was amazing. It got me to, they raised some money and really helped me. Got me to get my phone and keep everything going. After 4 years of not leaving the house, it gets expensive. Ouch, ouch. And I sold tons and tons of stuff on Marketplace. I mean, tons of stuff. Materials I didn't use, and thousands of dollars worth of stuff. Walk-in bathtubs, shower stalls, I mean, antiques. So I sold that house and got out of there and bought this one. Woof. It's not a house, but it's my house. I have the junky part. It's not junky anymore because it's all remodeled. New kitchen, new, completely electric. Upstairs is brand new. The whole yard is reseeded. All these bushes, the bush in front of me there, behind Wolfie, that thing was like 4 feet wide and about 8 or 9 feet tall. You couldn't even take care of it. So I cut it all down piece by piece. And I narrowed it from like 6 feet down smaller. Wolfie, you know you're on camera. Do you have to do that? Be a lady. Be a lady. I'll kick your ass. There, don't embarrass me. You'll never be tougher than me. Okay? Just remember. You'll be fine if you remember that. You will never be tougher than me. I've experienced a long time ago with dogs that thought they were badasses. You come back for more? I just pushed her over. I think she's going to get mad now. Ouch. I'm so hungry. I still got to paint half the stupid foundation on the other side. She's sitting on my arm right now. Wolfie. She got a Bill Cosby kiss. Remember with Trudy? That was cute. Ah! Thank God they let the old man guy out. I don't think he's going to cause no troubles. I really liked him growing up. Even after I binge watched him and Archie Bunker. Wolfie, watch him. Watch him. There's a neighbor. Watch him. There's slam the door. Watch him. She looked and she says, "Oh, it's a neighbor. It's okay." Hey, you chicken. Chicken. Just admit it. I'm superior. Just admit it. I'm the boss here. Oh, you mess with me? Huh? You want to mess with me? Huh? Oh, come on, speak. Speak, come on. You little baby. You little baby. Oh, you fell over that easy? Oh, you got a lot to learn. You're going to protect me falling over like that? Oh, yeah? Come on. Speak. Wolfie, speak. Speak. Now you're tied up in your own foot. That's pretty stupid. I'll lift it. Wait. Stay. Ouch. Are you my dog? Oh. You're so cute. You're so cute. Yeah. Oh, what are you doing? You're my little dog. I love my dog. Yeah. I love my dog. Don't bite my ears, you fool. I'm tired. I need something to drink, Wolfie. I think she's a pretty happy dog. Look, she's got room in her collar now. That's good. I don't like that. She must be growing. I can't tell. It's been in a couple months she'll be bigger. Ouch. I get your tail. That's all that counts. Okay. Wolfie! Ah! Ouch, what are you doing now? Oh, you're a good dog. You're a good dog when you're asleep. When you're asleep. Ow! That's my arm. Don't bite me. Okay, you better kiss. That hurt. Don't bite me. Don't bite me. Don't bite me. Just wait. Just wait. Ouch. Oh, yeah? You getting tough? Getting tough, you little baby? Yeah? Oh, don't you bite me. I will fix your ass good. Come here. Hey, come here. Want to learn something? You want to learn something? Come here. You want to find out what happens if you bite me? Come here. You know what happens if you bite me like this? You're not going to have a good time with it. No. Do you know that? Ow. Come here, you. Ow! Come here. Try that again. Try that again, you bitch. Try it again. Ow! Come on. Come on. Oh, you think it's... What are you going to do with the stick? I got it. I got the stick. It's a nice one. I got the stick. It's a nice one. She's like, charge. Get that stick. It's mine. 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 My stick. My stick. My stick. What are you doing? Is that my stick? Get it back. That's my stick. Hey. Look at this. Hey, look it. It went that way. Uh-oh. Oh, come on, get this stick. You got it. Okay, that's a good dog. You got that stick. Come here, that's good. That's good, baby. You got that stick. Now look, here's the stick again. Go get it. Good doggy. Good doggy. Can I have it? Come here. Give me that stick. Give me that stick. Come here. Wolfie, come. Oh, you think it's funny, huh? See if I'll get up and move. You might be surprised how fast I can rage on you. You might be surprised. I could crawl too, you know. I got your stick, I got your bone and your ball. What are you gonna do now? Huh? They're mine. They're mine. 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 It's mine. Mine. Hey. Hey, come here, you. Hey, what? You know, you're not even, those are mine. Those are mine, remember? Mine. My stick, my bone. Hey, Fox could catch so much better than you. Hey, I got a bone, I got a stick. Which should I throw? Do you want me to throw the bone or the stick? Okay. Good. Good doggy. Good Wolfie. Come here. Come here. Bring a stick. Hey, what about this bone? Look at that bone. What a good dog. Hey, come, bring it here. Come on, bring it here. Go get the bone. Get the bone. If you pee right now or poop, I'm going to be really mad. Hey, get the bone. Get the stick. Do something. Where's your squirrel? Ah. Hey. If you poop right here, it's not going to be a good thing. Hey, bring me a stick. Come here, puppy. Oh, she's rescuing me. Oh, she rescued me. Oh, what a good doggy. You were a good doggy. Thank you for rescuing me. I love my dog. I love my dog. Thank you. Thank you. You rescued me. And then you bite me. No biting. Give me your bone. Give me your bone. Go get your bone. Hey, stupid. Don't call me stupid. Get your bone. Get your bone. Go get it. Ow. Go get your bone. Ouch. Get your bone, you alligator. Ah. You stay on my hand. Get your bone. That's a stick. Come on. Give me a stick. Drop it. No. No. Here, look. See a stick? Go get it. I threw it. You gotta hunt for it. She's trying to sniff out, but she went the wrong way. Over here, Wolfie. It's over this way. Oh, you got the monkey? You got the monkey? Touch the monkey. I got a monkey. It's mine. No. Flying monkeys. Ah. You're being a good dog. You're being a real... No more Puffy now. And then Tommy. Boy, she's been going poop a lot after her worm things. You're feeling good, aren't you? You little alligator. Can I have this? Come here, monkey. Come here, monkey. Jesus, no. Come here, you. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Ah. No, drop. Look. Ah. I got your tail now. I got your tail. What are you gonna do about it? Just slap you in the face with your tail? Wolfie. I'm hitting the ground next to her tail. She do not like it. Ah. Ah. Hey. Big bugs are getting you. Ah. It's a tail. It's a tail's fault. The tail's fault. Oh, are you ticklish, huh? Are you ticklish? Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are. Well, I wanted to rescue a dog, and they didn't think... Well, they wanted me to go through all this shit. They wanted to come out here and talk to past vets and stuff. And the past vet I didn't have long enough, only 4 or 5 months for my last dog, and he was stolen. But the first thing, someone's got to tell me how to get a chip in this dog. And I got to get collars made and tags. That's important. She's now, ow. Now her collar's good, leather, it's blue. Wolfie, can you speak? Hey. No, I'm not speaking. Screw you. What are you doing? Carrying your monkey around? Huh? Ow, you're biting my hand! My hand's all gray from painting. Oh shit, I still gotta paint about a 20-foot line of gray paint, like 2 foot by 20 foot. At least I could lay on the ground doing that. Ow! That was my hand. Even if she touches me, I make a big deal about it. Because she would do the same. She's such a... Ah! That was my hand again. Come here. She says, well, keep your hand out of my mouth, dummy. Idiot. I'm just a little girl. I know that. I think she's having a good time. Screw the building. It can wait. She's the best dog. She is such a good dog. You're such a good dog. If you really chomp down on him, I'm going to slap you, I swear. You better be careful. Come on, Tug. See the Lily, the German Shepherd from Crazy German Shepherd Lady? She's got videos ever since she was like a little baby born and with the big dogs and stuff, and they train her and she fit right in, man. That Lily don't take no crap. But she had like guidance. I'm all alone with this one. She said I'm doing okay, the lady. I believe her. Look at her ears. Her ears are kind of soft and fluffy. Yeah, it's getting bigger too. You look silly, kind of. Just talk about looking silly. I've got great paint all over me. Oh, what are you doing? Thanks. Stick your butt in my face. Tug. You're playing Tug. Ah! Look at your ears. Look at your ears. It's just so soft. Oh, I wish you could meet Lily. She would fix you up good. She's just... Oh, monkey's getting away! Ah! I almost threw it out because it's outside and it got wet, but it dries. It's out in the sun. She takes it in the mud anyway. Tug. Ah. We'll watch videos of Lily and the Crazy German Shepherd Lady. You gotta watch that. Oh, I still gotta paint. Shit. I'm a big boy. I'll get up and do it. I'm done playing. Ow! That was my finger. Dummy. Don't bite me. Don't bite me. I'm not kidding. Yeah, you better lick. Okay, you're a good dog. You're a good dog. Hey, big. Ow! 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 You bit me. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. You're a good dog. It's okay. Don't bite me, though. Don't bite me. Ow! That hurt. Ow! I'll start biting back. Yeah. Oh my God. My hair. It's totally, I don't know what it is. Gray. Oh, it feels awful. Oh, man. Hey. Dummy, are you going to help me finish painting? Oh, yeah. Come here, snap at me and see what happens, Missy. Snap at me and see what happens, huh? You ain't gonna be doing no biting to me. Oh, that's good. You tried to attack me and you tripped. I could have kicked your ass right then. Good, get your monkey. Ow! You're sitting on me. Why do you have to stand on me? You're funny. You're funny. How am I gonna get this paint out of my hair? Oh shit. Gotta go kill. Okay, I got a man up here. Go and paint this shit. Maybe Wolfie will help me. I could get this done. That's what I do. Oh, you fell, you silly mutt. Hey. Alright, well, we're gonna go paint real fast. We're gonna see how fast we can paint the side of the house. It's a little piece. Hey, gonna bring your monkey. Okay? She says, don't touch my monkey. Don't touch my monkey. Ah! Okay, we're bringing it. Okay. Ouch. Hey, it's still a little bit light out. All I gotta do is paint a gray strip. We'll see how fast I can do it. So, it's at 38 minutes and 45 seconds. Let me get over there and I'll start at 40. And see what happens. Okay, it's gonna take a minute. Just get up the ground. Ah, what are you doing? We gotta work still. It's not all play around here. Look, ouch. She's unhooked and she just doesn't care. She's just here having a blast. Okay. You're a good dog. Are you gonna paint with me? Are you gonna paint with me? Ouch. All right. You're such a good puppy.